Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you all doing today? Well, today is such a beautiful day in the garden. So I'm basically taking care of the potato today. So this is the potato. This is the potato, and it's very important to always soften dirt and put around the potato in order for you to get great harvest and get a lot of potato. You have to put a lot of dirt, and not just dirt, you have to always soften the dirt. So when you soften the dirt, the potato gonna expand, so you're gonna get big potato. So this is what I'm doing today. I'm cleaning them up. Okay, look at what I'm doing, right? Okay, now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna all this dirt on this bank need to go around the potato. So you take the dirt and you push it around the potato, the root of the potato. I recommend doing this until harvest time. I'm telling you, because sometimes you plant the potato and you just leave them and you're not caring for them, and guess what happened? They bear some small potato like this, you know. So you want big potato, you have to give the potato room to grow. You see, I'm raking the dirt from here and I'm bringing it up to the plant. So you're throwing it around the root of the plant. So the more dirt you put, I guarantee you will have a better harvest. You see, I'm raking the dirt from down here. I'm pushing the dirt and I'm raking it up. Push and rake up. Rake it up, you see? Then I come down and I soften it and I put it around the roots of the potato. You follow this instruction, you're gonna have a great harvest. I'm telling you this from experience. You know, you wake up the dirt. So you wake up the dirt, and if you see the dirt, what you see, this is how I do my manure. Mix it with dirt, grass with dirt. So you see, I'm not lying. This is foolproof. Grass mixed with dirt. I do this every year to make sure I give back to the earth. Okay? So now you take this and you throw around the root of the potato. You're supposed to always soften up the root and put that the potato can expand. See the difference, right? You see a big difference. You see they're looking better and everything. Now I'm gonna go around to the front. And I'm gonna clean these weeds up. Put your hand a peck for me, please. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean these weeds up and I'm gonna dig. So now you're giving the plant room. You're giving the plant room to push the potato. So like this, you're gonna harvest a lot of potato and some real decent size. A lot of potato and real big size. It's one thing with potato, you have to give them dirt. You see, so when I dig, I bring the dirt and I put it around the root of the potato and I soften it up. So now the bank become wide. So when the bank become wide, that's exactly what you're looking for. And that's exactly what the potato looking for. Potato loves soft dirt. Potato, I mean any plant under that bear fruit under the ground, they love the root to be soft because that's how they're able to push big plant. Big plant, the plant get bigger and they bear more and they produce bigger fruits for you. So what I'm doing here, trust me, I wouldn't just do this because I want to do it. I'm doing it because I know if I do this, I'm gonna able to harvest big potato. And I can't, you know, I don't wanna plant potato and then all I have is some little potato, you know. So I try to do my best and take care of all my plants so that I can get a good harvest. Okay, so look at this. If you notice, this is how wide the bank is now. You see? So now this potato have a lot of room to spread, a lot of room for the potato to expand, so you could get a great harvest. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video because this is a lesson and it also make you have a great harvest. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Peace and love.